Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine, staying safe at home with your family. Welcome to the English online lesson with Teacher Ewe. Today we are going to learn Unit 6 of the Year 3 syllabus. We are going to read the story, The Cooking Competition. We are going to use the Get Smart 3 book, page 62 and 63 as our reference. In this lesson, you are going to, number 1, listen to a story. Number 2, learn new vocabulary. Number 3, answer comprehension questions. Let's go to the lesson for the day. Today, boys and girls, we are going to read a story. The story is The Cooking Competition. Hari ini kita hendak baca sebuah cerita. Cerita tu bertajuk The Cooking Competition. Maksudnya, pertandingan memasak. So, this story is taken from your Get Smart 3 book, page 62 and 63. Now, let's listen to the story.
Module 6. Story time. The Cooking Competition. It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class. Every month they have a cooking competition. I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip. Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted? Yes, of course. Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much. Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes, and a pineapple. What are you making? It's a surprise.
Okay, so let's stop the story there. Okay, now let's discuss the story. It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class. So it's Wednesday afternoon. Hari Khamis, tengah hari. Ted and Faye. Okay, nama budak lelaki tu Ted. Faye ni nama budak perempuan tu. Are in class. Mereka di dalam kelas. Every month they have a cooking competition. Every month. Maksudnya setiap bulan mereka ada cooking competition. Ada pertandingan memasak. Okay, so this is Ted. Okay, this boy is Ted. I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip. So Ted say, saya sedang buat mi soup. Noodle maksud dia mi. Mi soup. Miss Tulip. This is Miss Tulip, the teacher. Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted? So Miss Tulip, dia tanya dekat Ted. Dalam sup awak ni ada vegetables tak? Ada sayur tak? Okay, and then Ted say, yes, of course. Miss, ada vegetables. Ada sayur dalam mi soup Ted tu. Okay, picture number 2. Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much. Faye, this girl is Faye. Isn't very good at cooking. Maksudnya Faye tidak pandai masak. She doesn't like it very much. Dia tidak suka memasak. Okay, so Miss Tulip say, Faye, you've got some meat. Faye, awak ada meat, ada daging. Some tomatoes, ada tomato. And a pineapple, dan ada satu nenas, buah nenas, pineapple. What are you making? Awak sedang buat apa? It's a surprise. So Faith answer. Ia adalah satu surprise, kejutan. Okay. Now let's continue the story.
This month, Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad. Her food is always bad. Congratulations, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious. Thanks, Miss. That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition.
Faye, let's cook together.
Okay, Dad.
Alright, so now let's discuss these two pictures. This month, Ted wins the cooking competition. Maksudnya bulan ini, Ted menang pertandingan memasak itu. Faye is sad. Faye merasa sedih. Her food is always bad. Makanan Faye selalunya tidak bagus. Congratulations, Ted. Tahniah, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious. Mi sup awak delicious, sedap. Thanks, Miss. Terima kasih, Miss. Okay. That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition. So, petang tu dekat rumah, Faye beritahu ayah dia tentang pertandingan itu. Faye, let's cook together. So, ayah dia cakap, Faye, jom kita masak sama-sama. Okay, Dad. Right, so Faye said, okay.
For 1 month, Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Today is the cooking competition. Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. What are you making? It's a surprise, miss.
Okay. So for 1 month, untuk masa sebulan, Faye and her dad, Faye dan ayah dia, cook and cook and cook. Masak dan masak dan masak for 1 month untuk masa sebulan. Okay, so these are the picture of Faye and her dad cooking. Today is the cooking competition. So hari ini hari pertandingan masak. Faye, you've got some flour. Faye, awak ada flour tepung, some milk, ada susu, some chocolate, and some eggs and telur. What are you making? Awak nak buat apa? Faye said, it's a surprise, miss. Tunggu, miss. Ia adalah satu kejutan. Right, let's continue the story.
Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good. And Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Faye's turn.
Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip?
Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Faye. You're the winner.
Okay, so this is the end of the story. Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Tasting. Miss Tulip sedang rasa. Tasting maksud dia merasa. Sally's chocolate cake is very good. Chocolate cake Sally is very good. Sangat bagus, sangat sedap. And Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. Biskut coklat Ted pun great, sedap juga. And now it's Faye's turn. Dan sekarang giliran Faye pula. Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulips? So Faye dia offer dekat Miss Tulip dia punya chocolate pancake. Yes, please. This is delicious. So Miss Tulip praise Faye. Dia kata this is delicious. Sedap. Great job, Faye. You're the winner. Great job, Faye. Awak adalah winner. Awak adalah pemenang. Okay. And look at Faye. She is very happy. Okay. And everybody is clapping hands. Okay. They are clapping hands for Faye. So now the value of the story. Okay. Pengajaran daripada cerita ini. Practice makes perfect. Okay. Practice makes perfect means kita kena selalu berlatih. Lama-lama nanti kita akan mahir dalam sesuatu benda tu. Alright, so that is the story. I hope you can understand the story very well. Okay, so now boys and girls, I have a question for you. Do you like the story? I love it. Okay, I love it means you like the story. It is nice. Okay lah, boleh lah cerita tu. Lastly, I don't like it. Okay, saya tak suka cerita tu. So, which one is your answer? I love it, It is nice or I don't like it. Now let's answer some comprehension questions based on the story. Question number 1. What is Ted making? Ted buat apa? The answer is, he is making noodle soup. So Ted, dia sedang buat mi soup, noodle soup. Question number 2. Has Faye got any onions? Is there any onions on the table? No, she hasn't. Question number 3. Who wins the competition? So, based on the picture, who wins the competition? Dad wins the competition. Okay, we can see Dad is happy. So, Dad wins the competition. Next question. Is Faye happy? Look at Faye's face. Is she happy? No, she isn't. Question number 5. Has Faye got milk and eggs? Yes, she has. So this is the milk and this is the eggs. Last question. Does Miss Tulip like Faye's chocolate pancakes? Does she like it? Yes, she does. So now we have come to the task for today's lesson. So the task for today is copy and answer this question. Salin dan jawab soalan ini. You don't have to draw the pictures. Anda tidak perlu lukis gambar-gambar ini. Right? So just answer. So here are the questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Please copy the question and write the answer below. Okay. You can rewind the video to look for the answers. Alright? So that's all, guys. As usual, if you have any question, feel free to ask me through the WhatsApp or Telegram. That's all for today. Take care and don't forget to study. Goodbye.